What's up, mi familia? It's your boy Jaime G coming at you on this Tuesday afternoon to let you know what's going on in the Wild West of crypto land. Hopefully every single one of you guys is having a wonderfully blessed day, staying safe, chilling with your loved ones wherever you're at in this beautiful world that we live in. Guys, today's content is going to be on Dogecoin. We're going to obviously get into the chart real quick and get into some levels of resistance and support, and briefly touch on a couple positive articles, that is positive catalysts for it, right guys? And then we're going to touch on Bitcoin and see where Bitcoin's at, and touch on some positive catalyst articles as well on Bitcoin. Now, okay, why do we want to talk about Bitcoin? Doge. Yeah, hell yeah, I'm a Doge army, guys, part of the Doge army. But it is important and crucial for Bitcoin to be doing good, guys, because when Bitcoin does good, he brings the market up with it. Bitcoin does bad, he brings the market down with him. It is what it is. You know what I mean? I know Grandpa Bitcoin is he's grandpa, he's a dinosaur, but none of this would be possible if it wasn't for Grandpa Bitcoin. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? There's a lot of negative FUD going on right now, guys. A lot of just bad negative sentiment. People are saying we're in the bear market. They're talking about us dropping all the way down to 19,000. There is that this is a dead cat bounce and that it's weak, and one person is saying that in the next 48 hours that we're going to drop all the way down as low as 19K. Now, can that happen? Possibly. I'm not saying that it can't, but guys, you know what I mean, I want to remain optimistic. I'm not a moon boy. I keep it real, you know what I mean? Got to just keep it real on this channel, you know what I mean? So is it possible? Yes, guys. But if it is, you got to remember, we're in this for the long term. We're long-term investors, right? At least I know I am, right? I'm in this for the long run, because this is the beginning stages of crypto, guys, and major adoption and acceptance, right? Right now it's new, guys, so a lot of people don't want to accept it, right? Just like they didn't want to accept the internet. And look at it now, you know what I mean? In the beginning stages of internet, think of it that way, right? We're like in the beginning stages of internet. People didn't think people were going to spend hours looking at a freaking at the internet. And look at it now, you know what I mean? We can't live without the internet, you know what I mean? But anyways, guys, now if all of that sounds good to you and you're not a subscriber to the channel, what you're waiting for? Hit that subscription bell. Don't forget about my giveaway. We're close, 500 subscribers. One lucky individual will get $150 of crypto, and one lucky mofo will get $300 of crypto when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, if that sounds good to you and you like free crypto, what you waiting for, man? Hit that mother stinking subscription bell. All right, guys, let's just dive right into it. Let's see. We're gonna go backwards today. We're gonna look at Dogecoin first. Okay, Doge is obviously ranks number 6 on CoinMarketCap, and it is currently trading at 33 cents, guys. Man, we dipped all the way down to 30 cents earlier today. When I woke up this morning, I looked at it up. Guys, I live by Air Force Base. I apologize if you hear the airplanes in the background. There's one currently flying over me right now, so it's going to be a little bit loud. So bear with me, guys. I apologize. I will raise my voice a little bit. So we're currently at 33 cents. It is down 2.41% for the day. We have a 24-hour high of 34 cents and a 24-hour low of 30 cents. Like I said, guys, man, that was bad. But nonetheless, that 31 cent level of support, like I say, that we have, it's been holding, right? So market cap is at $43.4 billion, and trading volume is at $4.39 billion. The volume has picked up, guys, as you can see, as opposed to yesterday, right? Volume has picked up quite a bit, right, at $4.39 billion in the last 24 hours, which is a good sign, right, guys? Which is good. But nonetheless, we do need the price to go up as well. Okay, guys, so enough of that. Now let's get into the chart real quick and see what's going on here with the charts. Let me turn hopefully my setup doesn't fall. Okay, guys, let me turn over here. Okay, now we're obviously looking at the weekly chart, okay, guys? So every single candle here represents a week. Okay, as you see, the newest candle that formed is red, which I knew it was going to be, right, guys? As you've seen in all my videos, I bust out this chart, and it was undecisive at first, but nonetheless, it formed into a red weekly candle. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, we are hovering on the right above the last red candle and the green candle. If you see, I'm right on top of both of those, right? And we are currently sitting at 30.3707, right? So 37 cents, okay? So for 2 weeks, we've been hovering and consolidating around that area. Now, consolidating, what does that mean? That means just trading sideways, right? Because we're undecided on which way we want to go, either up or down. That's what consolidating means, okay, guys? So we've been consolidating in that area for 2 weeks, as you see, because these candles each represent a week. So that is our strong level of resistance, guys. We passed it when we got that good news about Coinbase Pro listing, right? We shot up to 44 cents briefly, and then we pulled right back down to that 37 cents level of resistance, okay? So now for the level of support, now, as if you see on, I'm getting right there, the very big red one, this big red weekly candle, right? I am right underneath that, and then I am right on the indecisive one right next to it, right? As you see, for the last 4 weeks, guys, basically, I am on the bottom of the very newest weekly candle. I'm on the bottom of the wick. I'm on the bottom of the green candle, and I am on the in between the indecisive and the bottom of the big red one. So for 4 weeks, that 31 cents area, see, right now it says 0.3052. I rounded off to 31. Okay, guys, you could say 30 cents, okay, if you like. I'm gonna say 31 cents. So the 31 cents area has been acting as very strong level of support. Now, it actually was a level of resistance, guys, when we dipped below it about 4 weeks ago, right? About 3-4 weeks ago, whenever it was, right? Actually, no, I apologize, guys. It wasn't 3-4 weeks ago. It was, we were using that level of resistance when right before we got that listing on Coinbase, right? And then it shot past that level of resistance, and now it's a level of support again. But we've been hovering and consolidating nonetheless on this 31 cents area for like the past 4 weeks, as you can see, right? So I say all that to say this: 31 cents is a strong level of support. As you see, we dipped below it earlier today, but we bounced back up, and now we're at 33 cents, okay? So 31 cents support, 37 cents is resistance, okay? Enough of all that. Now let's get into these articles here real quick. Turn my phone back sideways again. Okay, so now we have oh man, hope my setup doesn't fall, guys. As you can see, I'm in nature right now. I'm at the lake. I don't want it to. Okay, so obviously this here, I'm not going to read it. I just want to show you guys. It says, you know, San Jose Sharks become first National Hockey League team to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Right, guys? Now, this is important because it proves and shows major adoption, right? We have NBA teams. We have Major League Baseball teams, right? You have the San Jose Sharks now, right? You have the Oakland A's. You have the Dallas Mavericks. You have the Houston Rockets. Okay, guys, now that's all important, right? Because these are baby steps, like I say, to beginning stages of major adoption for crypto and for Dogecoin. Ooh, excuse me. So it's very important, right? That's why I want to show this article. You can read it in Benzega if you want to, and it's also in my video from yesterday if you want to check it out. But it's important for major adoption, guys, and it is a bullish catalyst and a positive catalyst nonetheless for Dogecoin and for crypto, right? Like I say, we're in the beginning stages, guys, of adoption, man. Now, then here's this other one here, right? It says mobile banking app Revolt unleashes Dogecoin trading. The UK-based fintech company has added the cryptocurrency to its platform due to popular demand, right? This is just another positive catalyst for Dogecoin, right? And I'm just going to briefly touch on it. It says fintech app Revolt has added Dogecoin to its platform. Users can buy, sell, and hold the meme coin with the Revolt app. It is one of 30 cryptocurrencies available on Revolt. The London-based fintech company Revolt today announced that Dogecoin will be available to buy, sell, and hold within its app, along with 29 other cryptocurrencies. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? If you wanted to read into this article yourself, go ahead, guys. You know what I mean? It's in Decrypt. It's just another positive catalyst, guys. So now let's get into Bitcoin, okay, guys, real quick, and see. I just wanted to show you all the positive catalysts for Bitcoin, guys. You know what I mean? So it says Bitcoin investors, right here is one good article. It says Bitcoin investors in U.S. made $4 billion in profit in 2020, 4x more than China than in China. They report. It says chain analyst data suggests significant gains on Bitcoin by American investors in 2020, due in large part to Coinbase, which is the biggest retail platform here in America, right? So, you know what I mean? It says in brief, right? I'm just going to read that. If you want to read it yourself, you can. It says a new report from chain analysts highlights estimated gains on Bitcoin transactions in 2020 divided by country. The United States ranked first on the list with an estimate 4.1 billion in Bitcoin profits for investors, well above China with 1.1 billion. Right? It says who benefited the most from Bitcoin's massive price surge over the course of 2020, according to new reports from blockchain analysts from firm chain analysts, it was American investors by a wide margin, nearly 4 times the amount of the next highest country, China. And to me, that is a positive sentiment. That is positive catalyst for Bitcoin, right, guys? Because why? A lot of people think, China, because a lot of it gets mined in China. So a lot of people think China is where it's making all the money, right? But it goes to show you here, according to data, that us here in America are making the most money, guys. And that is huge. Okay, now, let me get into all these other articles here. All right, and then that was just one article, right, guys? And then here's the other one, right? Now, why is this important? It relates to major adoption. Infancy stages. We're in the beginning stages, guys. Amazon job listing seeking DeFi experience. This is an Amazon job announcement. Is looking for a candidate that is passionate about blockchain and decentralized work. Guys, like last week, we had Apple looking for people that had experience in DeFi and blockchain. And that is good for the whole cryptocurrency in general, guys. If you have big gurus such as Amazon and Apple looking for people that have cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, experience, right? What does that tell you, man? Where we're shifting to. You just got to open your eyes and see, guys. You know what I mean? So that's why I just wanted to show you guys, right? Then we have in El Salvador, right, where Bitcoin won't replace the US dollar, right? But El Salvador nonetheless will be accepting Bitcoin as payments. That's bullish catalyst for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency. And guys, we had that FUD about Donald Trump, right? That was just stupid. He doesn't even know what he's talking about, right? Because he thinks that Bitcoin is trying to overtake the dollar, and it's not. Bitcoin is more like digital gold. If anything, it was like trying to replace physical gold, right? It just goes to show you what he knows. He knows diddly squat. You know what I mean? So he's misinformed. Like a lot of these individuals that spread FUD or speak bad about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency because they are scared of it. Why? Because it's new. It's new and they know nothing about it, and they're freaking dinosaurs. That's why, guys. You know what I mean? So he's misinformed. It's not trying to replace the dollar. You know what I mean? If anything, to make an argument, he should have said it's trying to replace gold. You know what I mean? It's not trying to replace the dollar. You know what I mean? So, all right, now here's this other article, right, that I wanted to close out with. Let me see, where is it at here? That I think is very, very important, right, guys? It says crypto exchanges see the biggest Bitcoin outflow in 7 months. A reason to cheer. Right, I think it is. It says this traditionally bullish signal should be interpreted with caution and in context for other indicators, one analyst said. Right, and it says with the price of Bitcoin almost 50% from its all-time high, bullish traders are hanging on their hopes on a fresh data point that might show the market is nearing a bottom. A big surge in outflows of the cryptocurrency from exchanges. While it's too early to tell if the outflows will be sustained, the data might indicate that some traders are satisfied with the current price and have no intention of liquidating their Bitcoin on the exchanges. And in the logic of cryptocurrency markets, the traders might be moving their coins to wallets, custody, or cold storage while awaiting the price of Bitcoin to rebound. Crypto exchanges registered a net outflow of 22.550 Bitcoin on Monday, the biggest single-day net drain since November 2nd, 2020. Right, guys? They haven't seen a big outflow in 7 months like this. This is positive, in my opinion. This is positive news for Bitcoin, right? Which is good for the whole overall crypto markets. It says the blockchain analyst firm, it says Glassnode, the blockchain analytic firm, tracks flows from 13 bit cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. It says the outflow can be best described as maleficated, bordering on hodling and the use of digital currency in decentralized finance. Peter Kay, co-founder and CEO at the global payment network Mercury CO, told CoinDesk, to hodl is crypto's market slang for buy and hold. Like we know, it says the number of Bitcoins held in exchange wallets fell to a 3-week low of 2.54 million from 2.56 million. Investors typically move coins from exchanges to wallets, taking out liquid supply from the market when they intend to buy and hold in anticipation of a price rally. All right, guys, I wanted to close out with that. You know what I mean? I just wanted to give some positive catalysts for Dogecoin and some positive catalysts for Bitcoin. Why, guys? Because there's a lot of FUD and a lot of negativity right now, guys. And you got to remember, we're doing this for the long run, guys. And we're the beginning stages, guys. You just got to grab your cojones, man, and just got to hodl. Or do whatever you want. None of this is financial advice. It's just your boy Yip Yapping, guys. Don't forget about my giveaway. And if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel. You guys stay safe and stay blessed. Until later this evening, stay tuned. Peace out.